Hello students, welcome back to science class. I hope you remember what we have studied in the last class. Okay, let us have a quick revision. Types of plants. There are 5 categories: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Shoot system. Part of the plant above the soil is called shoot system. It includes stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Let us see an activity. For this, we would require a glass, water, red or blue ink and a soft stem. Pour water to fill 1/3 of the glass. Add a few drops of red or blue ink into the water. Cut the base of the stem and put it in the glass as shown in the picture. After some time, you will find that the color rises in the stem. If this is kept for a longer period, the color appears in the veins of the leaves also. From this activity, we see that the stem helps in upward movement of water. You can try this activity at home. Let us learn about stem. The main functions of the stem are to help the plant to stand upright, to carry water and minerals from the roots to the leaves, and also carry the food made by the leaves to other parts of the plant. Tell me, who cooks food in your family? Your mother, or maybe your father. Do you know how do plants make their food? Okay, let's see. The plant makes its food in its leaves. That's interesting, right? Okay, let's see who makes the food for the plant. As we know, all plants have leaves. Leaves are an important part of a plant. Chlorophyll. All green leaves contain a pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives the leaves their green color. It also helps the leaves to make their food. Let's learn about photosynthesis. The process by which plants make their food is called photosynthesis. Apart from chlorophyll, plants also need sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and water from the soil to make food. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. The leaves help the plant to breathe. The leaves have tiny holes called stomata. The air moves in and out through the stomata. Let us learn about petiole. The part of the leaf by which it is attached to the stem is known as petiole. Lamina. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. Now we are going to do an activity. Put a leaf under a white sheet of paper or a sheet in your notebook. Hold your pencil tip sideways and rub it on the portion of the paper having the leaf below it. You will get impressions with some lines in it, and they will be similar to those on the leaf. These lines on the leaf are called veins. See the picture? There is a prominent line in the middle of the leaf. That line is called midrib. Now let us learn about leaf venetian. The design made by veins in a leaf is called the leaf venation. If the design is net-like on both sides of the midrib, the venation is called reticulate. See the picture? If the veins are parallel to one another, they are known as parallel venation. So we have two types of venations, reticulate venation and parallel venation. Let us see another activity. For this, we will require a herb, a transparent polythene bag and a thread. Do this activity during daytime on a sunny day. Use a healthy, well-watered plant that has been growing in the sun. Enclose a leafy branch of the plant in a polythene cover and tie up its mouth as shown in the picture. After a few hours, observe the inner surface of the covers. There will be many droplets of water. So, water comes out of leaves in the form of vapor by a process called transpiration. Plants release a lot of water into the air through this process. It's time to revise what we have studied in today's class. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in the leaves. Stomata, the small holes in the leaves. The process by which plants make their food is called photosynthesis. We should protect plants. The part of the leaf by which it is attached to the stem is known as petiole. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. The lines on the leaf are called veins. The prominent line in the middle of the leaf is called midrib. The design made by the veins in a leaf is called the leaf venation. If the design is net-like on both sides of the midrib, it is known as reticulate venation. And if the veins are parallel to one another, they are known as parallel venation. And the process by which water comes out of leaves in the form of vapor is called transpiration. Your today's activity is to write a note on the need of transpiration in plants. Here is your second activity. Collect different types of leaves, do leaf venation and make a scrapbook. Your third activity is to cook drumstick leaves petiole with the help of your mother. Take a picture of the dish and post it in the group along with the recipe. Also, write the nutritional benefits of drumstick leaves and submit as a project. That's all for today. Thank you, children.